now time to throw to our comedy spot. We've got a young up-and-comer who's going to be entertaining you and making you laugh. Please make welcome Dilruk Jayasinha!
Sorry, guys. Do you think I could start after Mr. Rob McManus shows up, or? Rob McManus. Oh, he's not. I think there's been a bit of a mix-up, but I'll try and power through. Okay, some jokes. An Irishman and an Englishman and a Scotsman walk into a bar, and they all think you're a bunch of. I can't. Sorry, cannot do that joke. I'm a bit frazzled at the moment. Sorry. Look, I shouldn't even be here. Like, do you guys know who I am? I'm Dilruk Jayasinha.
Is that good?
I've been doing stand-up comedy for 3.5 weeks. I did on Tuesday. I smashed it in front of 4 Hungarian backpackers in Springvale. This is a massive step down for me, really. I really should fire my agent. I've actually not heard from my agent in a while, well, because he doesn't exist. But out there, if you're there, if you want to take on some of this sweet comedy moolah that I've been raking in, hit us up on the interwebs. I just bought a Facebook, so just contact Rob McManus at liveonbowen.com and I'll give you my details. You get 10% of all my take-ins, which so far has been a schooner of Geelong Bitter. Now, some of you must be wondering, some of you are probably thinking, oh, this is bizarre. You shouldn't be talking about all your massive successes while there's a live TV show going on. But look, you know, some people might convincingly argue that this being my first TV appearance, that there should be a bit more of an appreciation of all the hard work that goes into by volunteers who really dedicate their time to getting the show off the ground and giving a young up-and-coming stand-up comedian an opportunity which doesn't actually exist otherwise in Australia. But fuck that. I've got like a reputation to protect, you know, like a brand name. People in Springvale would judge me for this, but I mean, they're not even paying me nearly as much as what we call in show business, to give them what they call in show business platinum Jayasinha. So why did the chicken cross Bowen Street? To tell the producers, you're not paying me enough, so you're not getting any punchlines. But I should be fine. Look, I mean, I'm appreciative. I mean, some payment's better than no payment. No payment. That's okay, because, you know, beforehand they gave me this chocolate. From Aldi. My name is Dilruk Jayasinha, guys. Thank you so much for having me.
Right there, Dilruk Jayasinha. Wow, check him out right there. Twitter.com on the Tweeties. We're going to need the chocolate back, sorry.
I'll give you one punchline.
Thank you. Dilruk right there. We'll be right back at Live on Bowen. Don't go anywhere. That was fantastic. That was fucking great. Stay right here. Enjoy the moment.
I should take it out.
That was fucking great.